Buyer activity fell this week, as did new contracts. However, two things remain consistent month over month. It's Friday, April 25th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Market Minute. Homes are still selling quickly and have been at a median 100% list to sold ratio for weeks. Overall prices in Maryland have risen 2.32% year over year. Baltimore metro prices have risen 8.8%. The Southern Maryland market has seen home prices fall 3.2% from last year. The suburbs have a 2.2% increase in prices from last year. The mountain region is up 16.2% year over year. With the Easter and Passover holidays, activity slowed. We'll continue to watch the market for signs of changes as we move into the last month of the spring market. Properties coming soon rose again this week to 1,837, an 8.3% increase week over week. New listings this report fell 16.8% to 1,813. Homes going under contract fell again this week by 27.5% to 1,461. 1,051 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio in 8 days. Rental properties rose to 2,460 properties for lease. This report priced at $2,400 median per month. And that's your wrap for the Maryland Market Minute for Friday, April 25th, 2025. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.